President Benigno Aquino III and his administration draw sharp criticisms from activists for alleged inaction on crimes against human rights on International Human Rights Day. Despite the intense heat, several activist groups converged at Plaza Miranda before marching to Mendiola, hauling a 10-foot effigy of Aquino.
Hanggat mayroong mga nagrereklamo at lumalaban sa militarisasyon, hanggat may pinapatay, may dinudukot, dinotorture, hanggat mayroong 400 mahigit na mga nakakulong na bilanggong politikal, hindi mo katanggap-tanggap, hindi po katanggap-tanggap ang mga palusot at depensa ng Pangulo.
According to activist group Karapatan, 226 people have been subjected to extrajudicial killings from July 2010 to November 30, 2014.
Si Noynoy Aquino, mula ng 2010 na siya ay maupo bilang asenderong presidente, nagpipilit, umapatay, at may sarili siyang programang kontra-insurhensya.
The activist groups comprise nearly 1,500 strong protesters that took to the streets to air their grievances. Arvin Mendoza, reporting for Inquirer.net.